Switching to the new 4473 form is very easy. All you have to do is go to Company, click on Settings, and click the Bound Book. If you scroll down, you will actually see towards the bottom, there is a button. It's the last button you'll see on the screen. You won't see the option below that. So enable new 4473 revision. This is the 2023 August 1st revision. When you click this button, we're going to warn you that you cannot go back to the old revision. So once you switch it, it's switched for good. We've tested this. We already have live customers who are using the new 4473 form, so you won't experience any issues. So again, just go to Company Settings, click on Bound Book, and then scroll all the way to the bottom to enable the new 4473 revision. January 15th, we will be switching it for you. So the way it works is once you switch to the new 4473 form, all your previous 4473 forms remain in the version that they were started in. And then anything that you start from the date that you switch over will be using the new form. As always, please reach out to support if you have any questions or problems.